Alright, hi guys, we're back. So, dah lama tak buat video. So, today nak buat video pasal unboxing my Sony wireless studio handset. I got it for free. I win some contest. So, thank you. Dapat hadiah, pilih I sebagai pemenang. So, hari ni kita nak buat unboxing. It's a Sony wireless studio handset WH-CH510. Tak ada wire. And you can see got 1 year warranty by Sony. And then ta-da! And then it's white. It comes with a lot of color. I don't know, I'm not sure, but my one is white. So kita buat unboxing. Tengok macam mana. How's the penerangan and everything. Yeah! Let's go! Oh, okay. Woo. Damn. Damn. Sorry, bro. Alright, I'm gonna open it. Dude, so hard to open this. Alright, there we go. Got this. Whew. Very sealed. Bagus. Dia punya, oh ada kayu. Okay. Damn. Tak ada, kosong, nothing. Got the books. Got USB charger, I think so, yeah. By Sony. Gonna put it here. And I'm gonna see. Sellotape lah. Wah. Damn. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, so beautiful. Damn. So, ada plus and minus, volume, maybe tempat charger. This is solid. Cool. Left and right. Can you see it? Left, right.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Lucky me! Woo! Nasib baik tak jatuh. Baru buka je nak jatuh. Weish, kena jaga-jaga lah. Bahaya. So you can pull out. Yeah, if you have, kalau kepala anda besar sangat, boleh buka benda ni. Nampak besar. Cik, tak adalah. Kita close sikit. Okay, so perfectly fine. And dia macam kedap sikit suara dia. Dia punya sound macam kedap sikit. Cannot hear. Macam silent sikit, quiet lah. Very nice to wear. Very nice. Looks so good, yeah. Alright, kita akan try on it. So this is the on button. I think tak ada battery. So I'm going to charge it first. So tune in.
One eternity later.
So kita nak on dia. Okay, can you see the on button? So tekan clips. So you got the, nak kena connect Bluetooth lah. So using my phone here, I connected jap. So I rasa dah connect dah just now. So just pergi Bluetooth and connect it. Dah old school people mix. So kita dengar. It's not. It's alright. It's alright. Tak kuat. Tak kuat. Yo, I can't even hear anything right now. Just the music. Yeah, man. I cannot hear anything. Kedap gila suara dia. Suara dia kedap gila. Oh, if you can hear me. Oh my god. No, it's so good. Yeah. Can hear the bass. Woohoo! Kalau I pakai pun I rasa you guys boleh dengar kot kalau I pasal kuat-kuat. This is the highest volume. Dude, this is dope. This is so dope. Like, you cannot believe me. Sedap gila suara dia. Bila kau main game ke apa ke PUBG kan, memang dengar lagu macam damn. It's so good, bro. I can't tell you. You gotta go and buy it and try it from Sony wireless Bluetooth. So I think that's it for. Alright guys, that's it for today. Tu je lah kot unboxing Sony wireless stereo handset. So comment, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, hit the notification bell. Subscribe jangan lupa guys. If you want any other videos, break ke apa ke, nanti I akan upload. So comment, please give a like on this video if you like it. If you want more, just comment it down below, okay? So now I'm just gonna enjoy the music. Oh yeah.